of animals. Food gives us energy and helps us to grow. Animals also need food as we do to grow and to remain healthy. Animals have different eating habits. Plant-eating animals. Some animals like cow, buffalo, goat, and sheep eat grass or small plants. Rabbits eat vegetables. Monkey loves to have fruits and nuts, particularly bananas. Animals that eat only plants, fruits, and vegetables are called plant-eating animals or herbivorous. Flesh-eating animals. Some animals like lions, tigers, leopards, and foxes eat the flesh of other animals. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivorous. Animals that eat both plants and flesh. Some animals like crows and bears eat both plants and flesh of other animals too. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous. Human beings also eat food from both plants and animals. We eat rice, wheat, fruits, and vegetables which are derived from plants, and meat, eggs, and fish which come from animals. Eating habits of animals. Depending on the kind of food, different animals eat in different ways. Rabbits, rats, and squirrels have sharp front teeth, so they bite nuts, fruits, and seeds. These animals gnaw their food. Plant-eating animals such as horses, cows, zebras, and goats have flat and broad front teeth which enable them to bite the leaves and grass. Their strong back teeth help them to chew the food well. Cows and buffaloes first swallow their food quickly and fill their stomach. Later, they bring it back into their mouth and keep chewing thoroughly. This is called chewing the cud. Sheep, giraffes, and camels also chew the cud. Flesh-eating animals like tigers, lions, foxes, and dogs have very sharp pointed front teeth to tear the flesh. They also have strong jaws. These animals chew the flesh with their back teeth. Insects like bees, butterflies, and mosquitoes have a long, thin tube-like mouth. They suck the food into their mouth with the help of this tube. A frog has long, sticky tongue for catching its prey. When a frog spots an insect, it stretches out its tongue and catches the insect. Then it rolls back the tongue into its mouth. An elephant has long, thick trunk. The trunk helps it to break branches of trees and leaves and push them into its mouth. The trunk is also used for drinking. The elephant sucks water up into the trunk, curls the trunk inwards, and blows the water into its mouth. A giraffe has a long neck which helps it to reach the branches of tall trees and eat the branches. Dogs and cats use their tongue to lick away water or milk. Some animals like snakes, lizards and frogs swallow their food as a whole. Food chain. A plant is always at the beginning of a food chain. All animals depend on plants. A grasshopper eats grass. A frog eats the grasshopper. A snake eats the frog, and an eagle eats the snake. This is like a chain that the plant and animals form with respect to their feeding habits. It is called a food chain. Pets and domestic animals. Animals are helpful to us. They provide us milk and non-vegetarian food. We keep animals like cats, dogs, and rabbits as pets. Pets are just like our friends. We should take good care of them, feed them properly, and keep them clean and healthy. Domestic animals like cow, horse, goat, sheep, camel, and hen help us in many ways. Horse, donkey, camel, and oxen carry heavy loads for us. Cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. Sheep gives us wool. We get eggs from hen and ducks. We should look after these animals with great care. So, we should provide them with good food and clean shelter. Answer the following. What are called herbivorous? Animals that eat only plants, fruits and vegetables are called herbivorous. Name few animals for carnivorous. Examples of carnivorous: lion, tiger, fox. What do you mean by omnivorous? Animals that eat both plants and other animals are called omnivorous. Explain food chain. All animals depend on plants for food. A grasshopper eats grass. A frog eats the grasshopper. A snake eats the frog. And an eagle eats the snake. This is like a chain that the plants and animals form with respect to their feeding habits. It is called a food chain. Why do the eating habits of animals vary from each other?
Depending on the kind of food they eat, different animals eat in different ways. Rabbits. Rays and squirrels have sharp front teeth so that they can bite nuts, fruits, and seeds. Plant-eating animals have and bored front teeth. These teeth enable them to bite. Cows and buffaloes first swallow their food quickly and later bring it back to their mouth and chew thoroughly. This is called chewing the cud.